Hi all, welcome to Salesforce in 5 minutes. In the previous video, we did create a messaging channel, but still the user that I'm logged in with, that is system admin, he's not capable enough in order to receive and send the messages from the digital engagement messaging channel that we have set up. So in this video, we are going to provide all the necessary accesses that are needed in order to send and receive messages using the digital engagement. But before getting started, if you really like my videos, I request you to please subscribe to the channel. So as I've previously said that in order to use the digital engagement, you need proper permissions. So for right now, what I'm going to do is that is my system admin. I'm going to provide the necessary permissions to him. So I'll run you through whatever permissions that are required in order to get your user started with the digital engagement. So let's first of all go to the user detail. First thing first, what you need to do is you need to go to the permission set assignment. Click on the permission set assignment, and your user must have a messaging user access. So he must have this access on the permission set license assignment. Now once he has it, he must be a service cloud user. So yes, he is a service cloud user. Next, create one more assignment, permission set. You need to create one more permission set. Let's create a permission set. And let's name it as digital engagement permission set. Let's click on save. And now, first thing first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the service present statuses, and I'm going to provide all the available and the busy, almost all of them. Now, once you have provided the permission, the service present statuses, next we have to go through the object settings and need to provide the accesses to the object like messaging user and messaging sessions. These are the two objects, very much necessary objects, where you have to provide the necessary accesses. So let's go to the user messaging sessions and messaging user. You need to give the appropriate access to this particular user. Let's click on edit and provide all the access. So you create, edit, view all, modify or delete on the messaging session, and the same for the messaging user. Now once you have done it, next thing what you have to do inside your permission set is that, let's go to the permission set back. Next you need to go to the app permissions. Inside the app permissions, you need to provide the necessary accesses like access to the conversation entry, agent initiated outbound messages, and configure messaging is a kind of an admin permission. So next is nothing but messaging agent, and next is, I think so, yeah, end messaging sessions. So these are the few permissions. These are 4 permissions that you need for now. Let's click on save. Now once you have provided all these permissions, your user, the whatever user is right now, he is also part of a queue. If you had watched my previous video, this user, the Salesforce in 5 minutes user, he is also the part of the queue, and he has the necessary permission in order to send and the receive messages from one end to another.